Welcome back to Angie's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix lag in Genshin Impact. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Genshin Impact, click on the Register Now option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, improving performance and reducing lag in Genshin Impact on a low-end PC involves optimizing both the game settings and your system. Alright, but here are some effective steps to boost FPS and enhance performance that we are going to cover and guide you today. So number one is lower graphic settings. Set to a lower resolution. Try 1280 by 720 if you are currently using 1920 over 1080. And set the graphics quality to low. And in terms of the render resolutions, lower this to 0.8 or 0.6 for better performance. And of course, in terms of the FPS, set the frame rate limit to 30 FPS. Now the next option is you need to turn off or lower specific graphics option, which is in terms of the VSync, turn it off. In terms of anti-aliasing, set to none. On shadow, set to low or very low. And in terms of the visual effects, set to low. SFX quality, set to low. Environmental detail, set to low. Motion blur, turn it off. And turn off the bloom. And in terms of the crowd density, set to low. Okay? Now, ensure that you have the updated drivers for your graphics card. Okay, so download the latest driver from the NVIDIA, which is on GeForce Experience. And if you are using AMD, just go to the graphics card manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers. Try to install, restart your computer to see if that works for you. All right. Now, the next option is you might want to free up system resources. Now, you need to close the some or unnecessary applications and processes running in the background using Task Manager. And from here, go to the type in on your start button, disable startup programs that you don't need by typing msconfig. Okay, and in the start menu, going to the startups tab right here and disable the unnecessary programs by opening the Task Manager. Restart your computer to see if that works. Now, the next option is you might want to check the power plan settings. Now, type power and sleep settings in the start menu. And from here, go to the additional power settings. And you need to select the high performance. What it does is it favors performance but may use more energy. That's one of the things that you can do to optimize your computer or PC to fix lag in Genshin Impact. Now, the next option is you might want to clear temporary files. So on the start menu, press window button plus R and then type in temp. Press enter and delete all the files in the folder. Repeat the process with percentage temp right here. Enter that and delete all files in the folder. Now you can also do that and type in on prefetch. After deleting all the files in the folder, try to restart computer to see if that works. Now, the next option is you might want to increase virtual memory. Now, if you went to the advanced system settings in the start menu, opened and under the performance section, click settings and go to the advanced tab under virtual memory. And from there, click change. You can uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. All you have to do is select the drive and choose the custom size. And again, you can set the initial size and maximum size to 1.5 times 3 times the amount of RAM you have. For example, if you have 4 gig of RAM, or you can set it to 6,000 MB to 12,000 MB. Depends on your RAM capacity, really. And from there, after that, try to restart your computer to see if that works. All right? Now, if possible, try to upgrade your RAM to at least 8 GB can significantly improve performance. If you are using an HDD, consider upgrading to SSD for faster loading times and better performance. And by following these steps, you should be able to significantly reduce lag and improve the overall performance of Genshin Impact on a low-end PC. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.